Hey, Ross here with TrueCut CNC, and in this video we're going to go over how to install and download Vectric Cut 2D. So the first thing you're going to do is the machine came with a flash drive, and on that flash drive are the setup files. So let's go ahead and plug in the flash drive, and the contents of that flash drive will come up, and you'll see a folder called Vectric. So we're going to double click on that folder. Oh, sorry. Let's go back to licenses actually. So in the licenses folder, you will see a folder called vectric.txt. We're going to open that up. And this is your license information. So there'll be a number right here. And your registered username is going to be this right here. Okay, so when you download and install, you'll use that as your registered username. The name right here is just so we can keep track of your license. The license code is right here. And this is the link you're going to go to. So you're going to copy this link. So right click, copy, and then paste that into your web browser and go up to Vectric's website, create an account with Vectric. And once you have an account with Vectric, you'll be able to download the Cut 2D software. Now once you have the software downloaded and installed, then go on to video number 2 and we'll cover how to get it all set up.